What's up everyone, Jeremy Vinny here, and today we're diving into the realm of electric scooters with the Hiboy S2. With their back to school offer screaming a massive 50% off, making this scooter available at just $299, it's clearly got the attention of many, but is it worth your hard-earned cash? Before we dive into the design and performance, let's tackle the setup. Setting up the Hiboy S2 is a breeze with these 4 simple steps. First, start with unfolding the stem. Push the folder lever until you hear the satisfying click. Then unfold the kickstand next, and you're good to go. Step 2, attach the handlebar to the stem. Quick tip, make sure it's facing the right way around. Step 3, in the package you'll find an Allen wrench. Use it to secure 4 screws. Don't forget to ensure they're nice and tight. And finally, make sure your scooter power is on and off smoothly. Out of the box, the Hiboy S2 strikes with a sleek and modern aesthetic. Its foldable design is perfect for the daily commuter, especially if you're short on storage space. Simply flip the folding lever, let it catch onto the rear wheel's latch, and there you go. It's that straightforward. Taking the Hiboy S2 to the mountains for a spin, I noticed a few things. It boasts a max speed of 18.6 miles per hour, which is more than adequate for most urban environments. The 8.5-inch honeycomb tires and the rear dual shock absorber made the rides noticeably smooth, especially when you consider that we're talking about mountainous terrains here. Benefiting from special alloy spring steel, these shock absorbers can be adjusted for tightness, giving you some customization over your riding comfort. But here's the thing, while it can handle some of those adventurous detours, it's evident that the Hiboy S2 is really crafted for urban environments. In a city setting, the scooter's speed, range, and design really shine. What stood out were the S2's safety features. With the 3 brilliant light system, you're equipped with tail lights, headlights, and side lights, perfect for those evening commutes. The cruise control is another thoughtful addition. You activate it with 3 clicks, and after holding the throttle for 5 seconds, the scooter maintains its speed. Super handy when you're on a long stretch. With a 7.5 amp battery pack, the S2 promises a max range of 17 miles. That's impressive. And with the 5-hour fast charging, a blessing for those of us who forget to charge things into the last second. Based on my experience with the Hiboy S2 electric scooter, it presents itself as a strong contender in the electric scooter market. But remember, while it can tackle some diverse paved terrains, it truly excels in urban environments. And for $299, it seems to offer incredible value. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and affordable electric scooter for your urban commutes, or even those quiet country road adventures, the Hiboy S2 is certainly worth a glance. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.